Did you hear about it? The New York Appeals Court denied Trump's request to have the gag order removed that was put on by Judge Merchan by a case, by the way, that's already done. It's already finished. But Judge Merchan refuses to remove the gag order. Why would that be? Maybe it's because there's a debate coming up next Thursday, and Trump will be barred from answering questions about the case. He can't defend himself. It is pure election interference. And folks, it's happening right in front of us. Now, I know you folks with Trump derangement syndrome don't get it. You don't see how this is going to be a problem going forward, because you're so focused on Donald Trump. And like I've said a million times, folks, this is bigger than Donald Trump, folks. This is a precedent-setting move that is just going to destroy fair justice, if there is such a thing anymore, in America. Now, process that. Donald Trump will not be allowed to answer any questions in a debate. The leading presidential candidate in a debate with the other side. Well, maybe they knew this all along, folks. Maybe that's why Joe Biden agreed to that debate. You see how calculated all this is? Now, I know for those that have Trump derangement syndrome, it doesn't matter because they don't care. They don't care about fairness. They don't care about due process. They don't care about the law as long as it's aimed at Donald Trump. Well, folks, Donald Trump's going to come and go. Donald Trump's going to come and go. And this precedent that is being set is going to be unbelievably horrible for this country and in a fair justice system that just doesn't seem to be that fair anymore. Give me your thoughts on this, folks. I'm sure there's going to be people that say, yeah, hang Donald Trump. He needs to, whatever. But just think about that. The leading candidate cannot discuss a case that is over already. It's done. Because that judge said can't do it. And the New York Supreme Court, the Court of Appeals, backs the judge. I mean, did you expect anything else in New York? Thank God I don't live in New York. I'm telling you, folks, it gets crazier and crazier every day. And it's scary because this is not going to bode well for our country. Not one bit.